What's up, everyone? Welcome back at Tom Yum Lechon Show. Join patreon.com/Tom Yum Lechon. As you can see, I have Lady Boy. Huwag ka tumingin sa kanya. Video to sa interview to my guest here. Hello, good evening.
No.
Nakasunod.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm okay.
Can you introduce yourself? Introduce yourself. Pakilala ka.
Hi, my name is Camila Hernandez. I'm from Capayados, Angeles City.
Is that your normal voice? Natural?
Natural.
For real?
Yes.
You can make it huge, like Raul. No?
No.
Try it. Try lang, huge. Parang barako.
No.
You can? Yeah, you can. Just try. Hit the like button and support Tom Yum Lechon. So, how old are you?
21 years old.
That's cool. What do you do? Do you have work or studying?
I don't have.
You're not studying. So, what do you do in life?
Because I'm working to Baliba.
You're working?
Yes.
For looking for a customer?
Yes.
Okay, at age of 22, right? 22? 21?
21.
Okay, how long you been going to Walking Street? For how many years you've been
How
doing
many
it?
years here? I'm 3 months.
3 months? Oh, okay. You're new in Walking Street. That's fresh to the foreigners. In 3 months, how's your experience?
3 months in experience. So very happy because for my customer, give me money.
You're happy because they give you money.
Yes.
That's good. So have you had bad experience?
Only first time last year, no paying me customer.
So you got someone that didn't pay you?
Yes.
What's his nationality? American, Australian, Korean, or Filipino?
Korean.
Korean. He knew that you are a lady boy. Alam niya that you are a lady
Yes.
boy. Where did you meet him? In Walking Street.
On Walking Street.
How much he should pay you? How much he should pay you before you?
She's saying me only 5,000.
He told you he's going to give you 5K.
Yes.
So he knew that before you go to the hotel that he have to pay you for 5K, right? That's sad. How long did you stay with him? For how many hours?
Many hours. Only
30 minutes or 1 hour?
1 hour.
So he didn't pay you. What did you do? Nothing? You didn't ask for trike money? So you just, okay, go. That's sad, right? But it's okay. He didn't give you money. At least you are safe. He didn't do anything bad to you. Right?
Because threesome.
Threesome?
Yes.
That time with the Korean?
Yes.
Oh, that's... With who? With Korean and other
Only
lady boy?
saying my best friend. She get money. My best friend.
She get
Only
money.
3,000.
What about you? He didn't give you?
And then me, don't pay me. I don't pay you because your best friend, she get
The money.
3,000.
So he's supposed to give you and your best friend, how much she give? 3K, right? And you should get 5K, 5,000 peso. And that's your best friend. He's a lady boy too?
Yes, as
Transgender?
Yes.
May boobs siya? Oh, okay, transgender. That's sad. So what did you tell to your best friend?
Saying my best friend, me, no pay you, and then me, pay.
That's sad, right? So he didn't say that you should give even 1,000 peso. You didn't pay.
No.
That's first time you had threesome, right? Is that your first time?
No, because 3.
Yeah, threesome, right?
Yes.
With your best friend and the
because
Korean guy.
not first time threesome because many 5 only 5.
Oh, you had try threesome for 5 times.
Yes, 5 times.
And that's the bad threesome you had.
First time my best friend.
Yeah, and your best friend and that Korean guy.
Yes.
He told you that he's not going to give you money because he paid your best friend. You should tell him too. Did he fuck your best friend?
Only
He have sex with you. Then
because and then my best friend video. Only video.
video. He's filming. Your best friend filming both of you in a bed. Oh, that's and your best friend get money and you didn't get the money.
Because my video,
She
give only
ano?
yung ano te.
Konti lang.
Hindi sinad niya sa ibang mga binebenta nila.
Oh, that Korean guy, he's filming.
Yung kasama ko.
Oh, your best friend. Your best friend. Yung kasama mo, yung best friend mo yung nagbibenta ng video nyo.
Yung kasama ko, binenta niya yung video ko.
Sino kasama?
Hindi niya ako binigyan niya ng... Kasi sa akin video yan.
Oo nga. Sino, yung best friend mo yung kasama mo, di ba? Siya yung nagbenta ng video.
Hindi ko na siya nakita na.
She said that her best friend sell her video that with that Korean guy on the other, what is it? Foreigner? Korean also. He sell them to the other Korean and you didn't get any money. That's sad. That's really sad, right? He fucked you and he get filmed and and your best friend filming you and he sell it to the other Korean guys and he didn't even give you money. That's really bad. And after that, you never seen him. You never seen your best friend. Sorry it happened to you. And what did you tell him? What did you tell to your best friend?
Because she give a video my best friend.
Oh, she's selling it to the other Korean, right?
No, because Pornhub.
It's on Pornhub?
Yes. Only 25,000 my video.
Oh.
Forgive me my best friend. Forgive my
Your best friend put your video on Pornhub?
Yes.
For 25,000 peso?
Then she going home, my best friend.
Where did she go? She left you and you never seen her after she put that on Pornhub?
On Cebu.
He went to Cebu? That's not your best friend. If she's your best friend, he would not do that to you. Transgender, huh? Damn. So, how is it? Have you ever messaged him? Did you message him?
Ignore.
You just let it go?
Because I have a Facebook. Me
searching him.
Yes.
And you chat him. And he blocked you. Oh, that's really bad experience to you. I don't know why people do that. They already get money by Korean guys for 3K. Even he didn't have sex with the Korean and he's filming and he get more money from your video, right? So can I ask, why did you agree to be filmed? Bakit ka nag-agree na magpa-film? Bakit ka nag-oo na magpa-film ka doon? Why did you agree to be filmed and he's making video?
She said my best friend me first. Because my best friend, she get money per wallet. And then she go home na. And then my video. She said and then another best friend, she said me, your video, I'm look at me.
He looked into the Pornhub and he found it on Pornhub.
And then my best friend, she talked me. And then
your other friend saw your video on Pornhub. Yes. And she take a screenshot and she sent it to you. That's
Yes.
really bad. So, ang question, bakit ka pumayag na magpa-film? Magpa-video?
Sila mismo yung nag-video na wala akong kaalam-alam.
Okay. She said
Kumbaga, nakatago yung video.
she didn't know it. She got filmed because the camera was hidden. They hide the camera. That's really bad. I'm so sorry, Bin, that happened to you. But I guess she get karma. You hope too that she get karma. Pinangarap mo makarma yung best friend mo. Hindi mo na pala best friend yun. Sa Raulo yun eh. I need to die. So are you okay now? So what did you tell to your
Because
you can file a ano daw sa Pornhub. Ba't di ka nag-complain ng file ng kaso sa Pornhub?
inayahan ko na lang.
You just let it go and you never think about
Kasi sinabi sa akin ng kaibigan ko, ikakalat niya daw yan kapag once na daw na pinakulong ko siya kasi nga nakuha niya na daw yung gusto niya. Tapos yung video ko, lalong kumalat. Gusto niya pa daw ikalat sa Facebook. Kapag kinalat niya daw yung sa Facebook, lalo daw ako magbabiral.
Her best friend told her daw that if she get her into the jail, her video will be uploaded any social media, even in Facebook, and she'll be viral. You should just do it because you're already on Pornhub. So at least you can put her into the jail. That's her karma. Dapat ginawa mo na lang yun. Naka-viral naman na yung video mo. Nakulong na lang sana siya. Pero you're got a good heart. Diba? Because you didn't file a complaint to your best friend. That's not a friend, not even a friend. How long, when did it happen? What year it happened? Or month?
Kailan?
Oo.
Because...
No, kailan nangyari yun? What year it happened? Or what month?
What month?
This
month?
month
Na to.
Last month, March?
March 3.
March 3. Alam mo pa buong detalye That's bad trauma to you, right? You just wanna have money and that's what happened to you. And you didn't even get the money. Be careful whose circle of friend that you got because you don't know what's they going to do with you when it comes to money. Look what happened to you. And how long you been know her? How long you been know that your best friend? How long you been know her?
Here.
Your friend, how long you been know your best friend? How many years you know him?
Here? First time, because she's saying me.
That's the first, and you call her a best friend? That's the first time that you meet and you call her a best friend?
Yes.
How can you call her a best friend that you even just met her that night?
Parang, kumbaga, yung tinulungan ko siya.
You helped her to do what?
Kasi nga sinabi niya sa akin, first time lang daw siya dito.
She said that it's...
Tutulungan ko siya.
You helped her because you told her that... she told you that that's her first time her at Angeles also. And you believe her. That's really bad. We don't know because... Yeah, you help her and you don't know. And that's what she going to do with you. That's right. I'm going to search your Pornhub later. Joke lang. Do you think it's still in Pornhub? Tingin mo ba nasa Pornhub pa yun yung video mo?
Nung tinignan namin, sinubukan namin tinignan. Pero parang naalis na yung ano niya.
Last time you check on Pornhub, it's not there.
Parang binenta niya lang ng isang beses. Tapos, nung kumita na siya,
he delete it. After he get money, her best friend get money from that video for 25K, said he delete the video and the Pornhub. That's really bad. Karma din yun. And choose your circle of friend, ha? Don't trust people that you just met because you don't know what's they going to do with you. Look what happened to you.
Kasi,
And don't trust transgender or other people in walking street. You should just trust your parents or yourself. You don't need a friend like her. So what do you do now? Like you when you came here for this interview, where was you in Walking Street?
yes,
What did you
because
do there? To look for a guest?
yes, because my best
Si
friend,
Audrey.
yung tinitirahan ko po ngayon, namatayan, tinutulungan ko po kasi.
You don't live
Kasi-
with your parents?
Kasi nga po, tinabi na po ako ng mama ko sa
Sa bahay
sa
niyo?
amin.
Oh, she
Kasi
said
nga-
she don't, wait lang, Bikay. English ka na kasi, para hindi na natin kailangan i-translate.
Sige.
Para di tayo nagkakairapan dito. She said her parents, she doesn't live with her parents anymore. She live with other people and her family. The family that she live now, someone passed away and she's helping them. It's condolence. Are you related to these people? Related ka ba nila? Relative or what? Cousins?
Alas, kaworking ko lang dito sa Balibagon. Tinanggap nila ako parang bilang pamilya.
They accept you like their own family and it's your friend, right? You live with your friend that also working in Walking Street. That's good that someone is treating you as a family and like your parents. So why your parents doesn't like you? Why they kick you out in your house?
Because I'm broken family. Because my mom, she going to
Abroad? You
then
got
my
broken
dad
family?
and then my dad. I don't know my dad. Because stepfather, she going to Cebu.
So you got broken family and your mom went to abroad and you don't even know who is your father? You don't know your father is? I'm sorry. So but you grew up with your stepfather and now he's in Cebu.
Parang tinuring ko na siyang tatay.
You treat him like your own
Pero
dad.
yung totoo kong tatay,
That
hindi
you
ko pa
never
alam
met
ngayon.
you never met your real dad, your biological dad, you never met him.
Yung tiniraan ko po dito sa amin, sa
English na B.
yung nahirapan po kasi ako.
Okay, where you live now, what?
Yung my dad,
Mhm.
sinasabi niya po siya yung tatay ko kasi nga po naging matagal niya rin pong asawa na yung
Mama mo. O,
2
dandan
months.
mo na ha. She said where she live now, the guy told her that that's her father because that guy had relationship with her mom for so long. What makes him do you look like him? Do you look like that guy? Your dad? Magkamukha ba kayo? You cannot say your face to him? No?
No. Because for me, I want look my dad because she going to Pangasinan. I want to
you want to
DNA
find
test.
your dad. You wanna do DNA test. Where else your dad is in Pangasinan? Pangasinan?
Yes, because simula bata siya.
Yeah. Simula bata ka.
Nung bata siya, kamukha akong kamukha. Tapos,
sinong tatay ba tinuturing mo?
Yung sinabi po kasi sa akin itong sa Kapaya, yan po daw yung tatay ko.
Someone told you in barangay where you live that that's your father. And his picture when he was young really looked like you. No? Hindi mo kamukha yung picture?
Hindi, pero tinanggap ko pa rin naman siya. Pero kasi yung tatay ko kasi, hindi ko pa rin po alam kung sino sa kanilang dalawa. Kaya po sinabi po ng tita ko, kailangan ko po daw magpa-DNA test.
Yeah, someone
Kasi po
claiming
ayaw
that
pong
you are
umamin sa
the
akin.
father, that he is your father, you're gonna do DNA test, that's gonna cost you so much money. And your
Ayaw
aunt,
pong umamin ng tita.
he is not telling you that he is your father, but someone claiming that he is your father and you are his son. She's 21 years old. Can you stand up? I never let. Patreon.com is splash Tom Yam Lechon. Dito, dito. Di ka makita. Bakan yung B. How tall are you?
What?
How tall are you? What's your height? Turn around, B. Turn
5'4".
around. Turn around. 5'4". O, sige na, pwede ka na po dandahan kayong aking Janakish Medikishingis. 5'4"? Where is your mom now? Where is she? Still in abroad?
I know.
You don't know where is your mom? Di mo alam kung asan mama mo?
Hindi ko na alam mo yan. Kasi hindi na siya sa'yo. Binlock niya na ako.
I'm so sorry, B. That's really bad. She never met. Oh, she don't know where is her mom right now because her mom blocked her on Facebook. I wonder why some of parents do that. They run of their responsibility to their kids. That's really sad. Ang ilabot ako dun. How old are you when she left you?
Me?
How old are you nang iniwang kanya when she went to abroad?
15 years old.
15 years old. And that's the last time you seen her. And after that, no contacts.
Yes, no contact, and then ignored my Facebook.
She blocked you on Facebook. That's really sad, right? So sorry. Do you have siblings? May mga kapatid ka?
I have.
Have you asked where is your mom? How is she? If she's here at Philippines?
My cousin, alaga ng mga tita ko.
Your cousin delivered your auntie.
Yes.
And your auntie taking care of your cousin. What about your siblings?
Me?
Mga kapatid mo? Mga kapatid mo asan?
Sa Pangasinan.
Your sibling is in Pangasinan and you're alone here at Angeles City?
Me one. Then my cousin. Only 3.
And they live with your auntie? That's really sad. Do you miss your mom?
Yes.
If she can watch this in future, what's your message to her?
Sana magpakita na siya.
She hoped that her mother would meet her or would see her.
Kasi
Tagalogin mo na lang.
3 months na rin, 3 months na akong hindi iniisip ko pa rin po siya kahit na na po niyan. 2023 na po ngayon, simula nung iniwan niya po ako ng 2018.
Diyos ko, naiyak ako doon. Sorry. You hope that you will find your mom because you miss her and she left you since 2018. Sabi mo na lang, labas mo sama ng loob mo sa mama mo, makikita niya yan. If ever mag-viral.
For me,
Tagalogin mo na lang, mama mo naman yun.
Para sa akin.
Your message to your mom from your heart.
Message. Para sa akin, mahal ko pa rin yung mama ko kahit na iniwan niya kami.
She said she still love your mother even they left them. Yung anak ko gising. Oh. Just go.
Wala na masabi sa mama ko.
Yeah, she's still your mom. You're a good daughter.
Sobrang tagal namin gustong magkita. Tas ganyan pa yung nangyari.
Your siblings doesn't have contact with her also? They don't have contact with your mom?
Yes.
That's really sad. Yeah, they are hoping that they will find their mom, hopefully, or get contact with her. Saan siya sa abroad? Kuwait or
Hindi ko na po kasi alam.
you
kasi
don't know?
Nung una pong
Saudi.
Saudi.
She worked in Saudi when she left her as a OFW. That's really sad. That's really, really sad. Hayaan mo, makakarma din yung mga best friend mo. And sana yung mama mo makipagkita sa inyo. You're a good kid that you didn't even hate your mom. You still want to see her. Yeah, a lot of people do that, abandon their kids, run for their I don't know why they do that. Why do you think why she blocked you on Facebook? Do you have an idea why did she do that?
Not,
No,
hindi ko rin alam.
that's okay. Well, good thing will happen to you. Maybe good news in the future. Just be strong lang, laban. Broken family. That's really bad. Happen. And you are now here at Angeles City, no relatives, and someone claiming that he is your dad. And there's another one also said that really look like you, but they don't wanna claim that he is your father, and you willing to do a DNA test. Ay naku, Diyos ko, nangyayari sa mundo. What's your dream in life? Did you finish school, high school, or else?
In-stop ko kasi.
Why did you stop? Kasi you don't.
Wala po makakapag sa akin.
No one will help you to buy your project or yeah, because you're here at Angeles City and you have to survive, and you help the family that's where you stay in now. Yeah. Ano lang laban. Laban lang ng laban sa buhay. Kaya mo yan. Lahat ng pagsubok, malalagpasan mo yan. And I hope you save money. Do you save money for yourself or for in the future?
Nakakapag naman ako ng mga gamit.
Ka. You buy things.
Mga gamit ko na kailangan ko.
Tsaka
lalo na kapag meron kaming mga emergency sa bahay.
Do you send money also to province in Pangasinan? Nagpapadala ka din sa Pangasinan?
Sa mga ate ko.
My God. My God, really. Why do you need to help them? Yung anak ko gising na.
Ate ko tsaka kuya ko.
Para yun napulog. Why do you need to help them? You're here at Angeles City, working hard, and you don't even have family here.
Kasi hindi pa ako doon. Hanggat hindi pa namin nalalaman yung Hanggat nagsisinungaling sila sa akin, hindi sila umaamin. Hindi ako uuwi sa kanila.
They are lying to you?
Because
nagsisinungaling sila sa'yo?
Hindi, yung mama ko. Kasi yung ko doon, yung tinuturon kong sinasabi ko pong papa ko na kamukha ko. Hindi pa po sila umaamin sa akin kung anak niya ba ako. Nung simula 2 months ako nung napangasawa niya po yun.
The guy that claiming, the guy that really look like you, he don't really accept you, or he don't tell you that you are his son, and you don't wanna, and you think your parents lying to you. I mean your siblings. How old is your sister? Why do you need to help her?
30 and then
Yeah,
30
they're too
by
old,
my
huh? Why they don't have a
brother.
job?
Because my brother, nag-work siya sa military siya.
Oh, he's a military and you're still giving him a money? Military siya, tapos bibigay ka pa doon ng pera?
Yung ate lang po namin.
Yung
30 years old. Kasi
she's not working. And she's not married.
Siya lang po yung isa sa
At age of 30, she don't go to work? She's not working? Hindi siya nagtatrabaho?
Kasi meron rin po siya sakit.
Ah, okay. She's sick or she got illness. Gising agad, ganyan. Sorry guys, baby Oprah is in the house. Always. Bantay ka muna dyan. Busy mama. Commercial break. Okay. I hope you will find your dad and your mom too. I just wish that she's doing well, and I hope the guy that already look like you will do DNA test, because you really, in your heart, he really is your dad, and because he really look like you, maybe he really is your dad. Diba? How many siblings do you have? Ilan kayo magkakapatid? Pang ilan ka?
Pang ilan po?
Hindi, ilan kayo magkakapatid at pang ilan ka?
Bali, 4 po niyan kami.
4 siblings, and you are in middle or second?
Pangalawang bunso po.
You're in third? Pangatlo ka?
Apo.
Someone is married or what? May kinasal ka na bang ate? Wala pa, or they still single?
Single po lahat sila.
And you mentioned earlier your brother is military?
Yes.
So can I ask why he don't help you? Cause he's single, he don't have family. Why he don't help you as to go back to school?
Halos hindi rin po kami magkakasundo, magkakapatid. Kumbaga, parang kapag meron po yung isa na gusto rin po ng isa, hindi rin po mabigay-bigay ng mama namin. Kaya ganun po kami nagkaaway-away.
He said that
nagkaiwalay-walay po
she's
kami.
not close with her other siblings, and if they like some things that they really want, her mother cannot give it. So that's the reason why they're not close. But that's a small things, right? That over thing that your parents could not give you. I hope your brother will help you kasi got a nice job. School in Philippines, it's free. Except transportation, you just need some money for your what is it? Transportation and for your projects. Sana tulungan ka ng kapatid mo.
Yun din.
Tsaka, you hope too that your older brother will help you.
Sana nga makalala nila ako, nabalikan nila ako dito sa amin.
Sana nga din eh. Ang ganda ng buhay niya. Tapos, just ko.
Tsaka tatlo-tatlo rin yung bahay nila.
They have 3 house and you're not with them. That's
Tsaka
good.
yun, iwalay-walay yung bahay doon sa Pangasinan.
So your brother has 3 house and your sisters too. And they just leave you here at Angeles City. They didn't even look for you. That's really bad. That's really, really bad. Diba? Hit the like button and support Tom Yum Lechon channel. That's. Are you try? Did you go to Jessica Soho to help your mom to get help to help your mom? Joke lang. Maybe she can see it and that she'll know that you are looking for her. That's really bad life that you got. I hope you find. But you are happy in your life, right? Are you happy now? Are you sure?
Yes.
What makes you happy?
Because
What makes you happy? Ano nagpapasaya sa'yo?
yung work ko dito kasi natutulungan niya ako sa gusto kong laban. Nakakapaglaban ako sa mga pageant.
She said she's happy because of her job here at Angeles City and help doing that job help her also to do. You're a runway model too, right?
Yes.
That's good. That's really good. How long you been doing modeling? How
Many.
how long? How many years?
2 years because me in
Have you
pageant.
won in pageant?
Me, first runner-up and then second runner-up.
Oh, that's good. That you won
Binibining
Pilipinas 2023.
binibining ikatlong lahi. And then,
Okay.
mutya ng ikatlong lahi.
Do you
Mga
get prize?
LGBTQ.
What's the price there?
25,
25 25,000
25,000,
for first runner up. Second is 20.
20.
Third,
not third. Because ambassadress, first runner-up, tourism, ambassadress, tourism, and then title. Because 5 times title. Because me,
you won 5 times.
5 times. Because
That's
me,
good.
5 times a title model.
Oh, that's good that you won 5 times a
Because I have
title model.
I have a
So
crown.
you have a crown.
Yes.
Oh, that's really nice. The one that I showed the picture Audrey sent me, yung pinasa ni, that's your crown. Pinasa ni Audrey sa akin.
Yes.
That's good. That's really good that you are. So, can you sell that crown? Pwede ba ibenta yung crown na yun?
Hindi po. Kasi,
No? You have to give it to...
kumbaga, parang, memories po ng mga model ko.
Okay.
Parang takda po sa akin. Tsaka yung mga crown na yun, hindi po plastic. Kumbaga, po siya. Para po siyang talagang crown ng mga binibini. Pilipinas.
Good. That's good that you are 5.
Simula bata po ako. Siguro mga 6 years old.
So you started modeling at age of
old.
6 years old until now?
Ano pa lang po nun, yung mga pamboys. And then, nung lumaki po ako, nalaman ko na 7 years old na LGBT community.
So, at age of 7 years old, you find out that you are a cross-dresser. Yes, nalaman mong backlers ka.
And then, nakakapag pageant ako. Mga sumasali-sali ako sa mga pageant.
That's good.
Minsan, nalalaglag, minsan hindi.
Yeah, ganyan ang laban ng buhay. Kailangan may nadadapa.
Kamukha nitong
We have to...
Hanggat na may makakaya kang dalhin sa sarili mo. Kapag napapageant ka, huwag mong iisipin na madadapa ka. At saka huwag mong iisipin na mapapaya ka kapag nadadapa ka.
True.
Ganun
Kaya,
yung sa pageant. At
ano
saka,
lang,
wag mong isipin
confident.
na sabihin mo, ngayong araw na to, mananalo ako para sa akin. Hindi.
So, you never think that if you join a pageant, you will win?
Sinasabi ko sa
English
sarili
ka,
ko.
Day. So, you're saying to yourself that you're not thinking that if you join a pageant right now that you never think, oh, I'm going to win today. You never think yourself that you'll be win. Have you never thought that you will be won in pageant 5 times 5 times?
Because
What's your talent?
talent na. Because run.
No, because they have to do talent, diba? Dancing or
Yes, dancing. And then yung nanggaling sa abroad na nag-working sa abroad na, kumbaga yung mahihirap na gawin sa abroad na.
OFW?
Ginawa kong lahat, pero sinasaktan ako ng boss ko, ganun. Kunyari. Ganun yung mga talent.
Acting portion. That's your talent there. She has confidence on herself. That's why she's not thinking that she is be winning today. She never think that, oh, I'm going to win today. She got self-confidence. And she's pretty though. Diba? So, you like acting? Gusto mo mag-acting dyan? What's your do you wanna do acting skills? Try na.
Hindi ko
Go.
kaya.
Sabi mo, ma, umuwi ka na.
Hindi ko na kaya kasi. Sa sobrang tagal ko na po kasi.
Ayok ka to. Okay. Do you like volleyball? Do you play volleyball?
Hindi naman po.
You don't like volleyball? Basketball? What about the basketball player? The players? Yung mga lalaro? Do you like them? See, you don't like basketball sports, but
I want boys.
but they like the players. Yeah, it's time for her to shine. Shine. Do you know how to cook? That's good. That's really good. So you're 5'4", right? What's this? What happened to your hand? She got bruised. Bruised ba to?
Lifting.
I thought someone hit you, that's why. Kala ko may sumuntok sa'yo dyan, Day. How many tattoo you got in your body?
Only one.
One, who's that? Your boyfriend?
Kumbaga, ko siya. Kasi yun? Pamangkin.
Your sniff. Babae ba, lalaki?
Babae. Precious Abiana.
Babae. That's good that she got. So let's do past talk because we have to go. Okay. Okay, are you okay? You sure? Thank you for being here at Tom Yum Lechon Show. When the last time you had sex?
Last time.
Nakipag-iyutan ka.
Ngayon.
Today? Tonight?
Wala pa ngayon.
Wala pa ngayon. Yesterday or
last Sunday.
Last Sunday? Oh, okay. That's good. That's really good. That you never had sex every day like other transgender. Let's go, guys. Let's do past talk. Sex chocolates. Who? Sex chocolates. Pick one. Sex chocolates.
Last.
No, sex chocolate. Pili ka isa. Iyot o chocolate?
Siguro yung
Ano?
Sex.
Favorite possession of sex? Anong favorite possession mo sa kama?
Dog style.
Oh, dog style. Dura, lunok. Spit, swallow. Spit, swallow. Dura, lunok. Lunok. Lunok.
Yun kasi yung gusto nila.
Do you like that? If you swallow it? Oh, sana all.
Hindi naman nagkakaano kasi nagpapacheck up.
That's good that you get this because you don't know what you get. Do you use condom?
Ay, nagpapakondom naman.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. Do you have a boyfriend?
Because I have
Live-in partner?
3.
You have 3 boyfriend? Damn.
One Korean and then one Philippines and then foreigner.
Oh, that's good. You got your grip. So, you don't need to work, di ba? They support you?
Kumbaga, minsan pumupunta ako sa kanila.
Oh, sometimes you visit them.
Yung Korean ko, umuwi siya sa Korea. Kasi, kailangan niya daw asikasuhin yung mga niya. Yung sa bahay niya, ganun. Sa mga family niya.
That's good. That you have a boyfriend that's but I hope you're not this kind of girl. I know a girl that she has a boyfriend and she tried to come over here. And is impressing, she has a boyfriend. But I don't know what she gonna up to. We just going laughing. We don't know what she going to do, but that's her life. I hope her boyfriend won't find out. Good luck. Good luck, girl, in your life. And I hope you find happiness. And please, take care of yourself here at Angeles City. Be careful who you with. And always pray to God. Be strong and be independent. And don't be nice to people that you just meet for a day and you call her a best friend. Oh, shout out to Obadiah Phoenix. Thank you, Obe, for being here. Good luck. Condolence. You okay?
Yes.
Okay, guys, we have to go. This is 1 hour. Thank you for joining in. See you. Hit the like button and support Tom Yam Lechon Show. Go to patreon.com/Tom Yam Lechon Babush.